doing? Watch out before you stop, before you hit the car.
I'm trying to get on the highway.
No, pull over right up here, man.
Why?
Dude, I'm worried about you.
I'm fine. I'm trying to get on the highway.
No, I don't know that he should be driving. He needs to
I'm fine.
he needs to pull over right up here. I needed a blue light in. Shut the vehicle, put the vehicle in park and shut it off. Sir, put the vehicle in park and shut it off. Ma'am. Shut it off.
No.
Shut it off.
I can't.
Shut it off.
No.
Sir, shut it off.
For what reason?
Sir, shut off the vehicle. Sir. See, for that reason. Shut it off.
For what reason?
Shut off your... Sir, you need to shut it off. Sir. Don't wreck. Don't wreck.
I got to tag him.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park before you hurt yourself or somebody else. Shut off the vehicle. Sir, you need to shut the vehicle off. Just shut the vehicle off.
I'll talk to you. There's no one in here. Look,
She's in there.
she can get out.
Sir, shut the vehicle off.
I can't.
Ma'am,
Get out.
ma'am.
Get out. Get out.
Sir, where's your ID? Don't step too close. Yes, you can.
I can't.
Sir, is this your truck? All right. You're going to make it a lot worse if you continue this behavior.
Pretty much he just going the wrong way.
Because he made me. I tried to
He
back
did
up.
it more than once.
No,
So by the time I got there, like, hey, you like,
Can I just go back in the car?
so I did.
I didn't do it more than once. Only thing
not
I
working.
did, look, when I was in the alley, I backed up to I could park, so I could pull a left part. That's all I did. I'm literally, let me pull it away. I can sue y'all. I can sue right now for touching me. I'm a flower. I told you I'm a flower. I'm a flower. Don't touch me ever. Because you will die, the people will die, everybody you love will die. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I've been to Clay County, Clayco County. It's terrible. I don't want to go there. So anybody see me there again, I'm killing them. Hands are
Hey,
up.
sir,
Please don't kill me. My hands are up.
Sir.
My hands are up. I can't breathe. I can't breathe with all these pins around me. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. My mama. Call my mama. I can't breathe.
All right, sir.
Don't touch me.
Listen. Sir,
What's your name?
are you gonna talk or you gonna listen?
What's your name?
Say, I'm off tomorrow. Are you gonna talk or you gonna listen?
Go ahead, what? What? No. All right. I'll comply.
Okay, hey.
I'll comply.
You're not complying.
I'll comply.
You're not complying.
I'll comply, man.
You gotta talk this time.
Hey, I'll comply. Stop, man. Stop, man. Please.
There you go.
TK.
No. No.
No, here.
No, you didn't do this.
No, hold it.
No. No. I haven't done anything. I'm surprised. No. No.
Okay.
There you go.
That's one of them?
You got one there? Yeah.
Yep.
Do we have a second one? TK,
Hold it.
come on, bud. TK, come on.
No.
There you go.
Yeah. Come on.
Go ahead and double lock.
Double lock.
Where's your car?
Over there. Keep little.
After you said.
Crack, heroin, and coke. This is crack. I can't tell.
That looks empty.
1691 ready.
I don't think so.
No, see.
1691.
Purple powder in it. It might be
We're
crack.
still monitoring.